Hello guys, so today guys, again we have another Godox vlog. So today guys, we have Godox speedlight. Yan, so we have the Godox TT685 speedlight. Ito siya, yeah, or a camera flash. So again guys, if you are searching for your not strobe light, speedlight for your events, photography, or any kinds of photography, especially events guys, if you are wedding or events, any events, this is one of the best speedlight that you can use for your on that occasion. So again, the Godox TT685. So we will try to check the flash guys, and I will show you how to use this TT685. Before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo and videography gears and my personal sneakers. So let's start now guys. And again guys, so this is our setup, that Canon, we have Canon R5, I think, R5, and the speedlight guys, the TT685. Reason why you need a speedlight. Again guys, if you are events photographer, you must have a speedlight. Yes. For example, if you take photos for a group of person, you need to increase your aperture. Like you are using f5.6 or f6 to make sure that you have sharp image. You have a sharp image and all your subject is on focus guys. If you're using at least a higher aperture like f5.6 or f7, f8, you know. And because of that guys, if you don't have any light, speed light, your photo will be darker. So at least you have the speed light on that. So yeah, that is one of the reasons that you need a speed light. And again guys, there's tons of reason again why you need the speed light. So if you want some artistic shots, then still you need a speed light. Again guys, I suggest if you buy a speed light, you must have a rechargeable battery. So it depends on the speed light guys. Some of the Godox is already lithium battery, but some of the Godox, which is the normal one, is a AA battery. So I suggest you have a rechargeable AA battery. Yeah, so I suggest the envelope guys. Envelope is one of the best battery that you can use for your speed lights. And guys, I think we will try and take some photos before and after. So I will show you the difference between with the speed light and without speed light. So let's go. And another test guys. So if your ceiling is more higher guys, like 10 feet more, so I suggest direct from the subject. You have also diffuser guys. You can diffuse the light. Yeah, you can diffuse, you can bounce the light. So ayan ang diffuse, ito ang bouncer. So I will diffuse the light guys and direct to Julius. So first we will take some photos without the light, with the aperture of again 6.3. I will use the 6.3 aperture. Same settings, 250 ISO and 80 for the shutter. So ayan, let's take one photo again guys. Medyo hirap lang focusing kasi it's too dark guys. So cannot focus, but we will try. Yan, so it's totally dark guys. Just on the speed light, same settings, and voila. So game. And let's take another guys photos with the dark area. So again, same settings guys. 6.3 for the aperture, 250 for the ISO, and 1:80 for the shutter. So let's take another photo guys. And yeah, so direct guys. If your ceiling it's too high, so it's very hard to bounce the light, so at least you have option here in your speed light or the Godox TT685, a diffuser, so you can diffuse your light. So again, okay guys, so let's try to take some group photos. So ayan, andito yung mga kasama natin, mga wiligo. So let's check some sample first. No speed light guys. Yan. So this is the sample without the speed light. Same settings, 6.3, 250 and 180. Then we turn on the light and we will try to bounce. And ayan, we'll bounce the light and yan. So medyo madilim siya guys. We will try to make it TTL para mabilisan na. So again, still stay there. Okay, 1, 2 and yan guys. So diba, you have a nice exposure for your subjects and all in focus guys. See? See? So Give a bye.
That's why very easy.
Make hug button like this. One more. Hold his hand or why you don't punch? Oh, see? Wow, di ba? And guys, see? All the subject is in focus, guys. For example, if you have, if you shoot a group photo. So again, 1, 2, and okay. So ayan guys, diba? Ang ating group photo, 6.3, 250 ISO. Yan, you have a correct exposure and all in focus, guys. So yan. That's one of the reason why you need the speed light to take photos for a group shot or for your events or any events, guys. Again, so you need a speed light, which is the TT685 from Godox. On this shot, guys, we will try to use a trigger, which is the Godox X Pro C, and yeah, still we're using the Godox TT685. Yan. So we have also here a Potex umbrella and a stand. So ayan, ang ating model si Julius. So let's try to take some photos, guys. So ito siya. And 1, 2, and okay. So this is the sample photo, guys. Yan, with the speed light. So yan. So you can take more photos and test and yeah. Okay. Ito ka, Jo. Yan, wag kang didikit sa ano. Yan. Let's try more photos. Okay. Diba? Ayos siya, diba? Oh. Pang thumbnail. What ang thumbnail si Jojo. If you want to become clear all, ayan, by positioning, guys, depends on the position of your flash. So, ayan. Gusto mo medyo okay yung exposure, sarap, ganyan mo lang siya, guys. And ayan. Yeah. So astig, may pa 45 degrees tayo. Check natin. Panalo. Yan, guys. So again, this is our product for today, the Godox TT685. So ayan. So and guys, again, I think that's it for today. Our product for today is the Godox TT685. So again, we have the Canon R5 here. And again, guys, so if you want to make it wireless, the Godox TT685, you can purchase separately the X Pro C or the X2T from Godox, because the Godox TT685, guys, is already built-in receiver. So if you want to make it wireless or off flash or off camera flash, you can do it with the trigger. So again, guys, ayan. So, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin, the members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang ating model na si Julius. At ang ating videographer today na si Palaboy OFW. And again, guys, if you want to check the Godox lineup that we have, you can visit our website, www.aabworld.com. All the Godox lights, guys, is already in our website. From the speed light to strobe light, LED lights, COB lights, name it, guys, it's already in our website. So I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.